Hello everyone. We have built a machine learning mini project which is attendance using face recognition system. We as a group of 3 team members have created this attendance system. So our main problem statement is currently we are taking attendance using paper format, which is in formal way, or many institutes have implemented using tapping physical ID cards, but they may lead to but that may lead to errors, and it is very inefficient way. So we have tried to implement attendance using face recognition system. We have built a system which is implemented by popular Python libraries such as OpenCV and dlib, which are the key components of face detection and recognition. For graphical user interface, we have implemented using Python stick inter library, which provides user-friendly interface and interact in a very interactive way. So scope of our face recognition system is in schools, as it can be used to take attendance of various students, as in workplace, as faculties and employees are lead to take the attendance of their own government agencies. It can be used in government offices and embassies, sports and entertainment venues. It is also used in many public transportation spaces. So now we'll see the implementation of face recognition in attendance system.
Hello friends, my name is Urvesh Pesadia. I am showing you our project implementation. The first step to registration for new student, enter ID and name, click on take images, sometime for open camera, take 100 images, image store in one folder, black and white form. Done. Click on save profile and password. Password for this project is Depstar. Before to click take attendance, let me show you where image is stored. You can see all of these photos. Click on take attendance. You can see my face and my name. Press Q to take attendance. All of you see ID, name, date, and time. And attendance take Excel sheet and student details. Yeah, you see. Thank you.
So here are some testing scenarios of our system which we have experimented. So the first one is the normal one, in which the old detection is the good, and the second one is with the mask. So whenever we are wearing the mask, face detection system will not gonna recognize nose and the lips expressions. So whenever it not gonna recognize, it may lead to an error. Third one is with the low light background. So whenever we are having the light background, it will be all perfectly good for the our model. And the another one is the background. So whenever we are having a background with the highlight, our face may be in the dark expression, so it may lead to an error. And the another one is without spectacles. It is not a necessary thing that if we are wearing the spectacles or not, it will be all good for the implementations. So yeah, here was some testing scenarios. And so, in the conclusion, mainly feature recognition system is divided into two parts, the hardware and the software part. So, mainly software part is focusing on the face detection and feature extraction, and the mainly recognition. And in the hardware part, it will be describing how our system is working, like with the web camera and the all, like it is generating spreadsheet for it or not, and all the pre-processing things. And in the last, like in one line conclusion, I would like to conclude with: the system will be working best when the face is sufficiently illuminated and the person in front of standing is, it is all perfectly good with respect to the camera. Thank you.